The latest addition to the LOKITHOR family, ApartX. Still extreme powerful, still all the options, but with one extra function. I will come back to that later. Firstly, still the powerful connectors in, still easy grips, power plugs, and inflate your tires. 4 different options. Light, still the same, has not changed. Multifunctional display, easy to change all your setting. The pressure in your tires all set. What is now the specialty? Our easy lock-in, lock-out system for the battery makes sure that you can add an optional battery to help anybody in any situation. The easy battery quick change system offers you the possibility to have our super highest level battery, which offers almost triple the power and more than double the capacity, to be ready in any situation you want. In particularly for the high-tech specialists and the mechanics who are on the road and need in any situation to be prepared. LOKITHOR ApartX, your buddy on the way, anywhere you go.